Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm going to quickly do some words which are really important for you, which you can use in your day-to-day usage. Like for example, the first word is very noisy. So never ever use this very noisy. You can say deafening, like I heard the deafening sound of a thunderstorm. Very often, which may mean frequently, like frequently I visit a temple. Very old, never use the word called very old. You can say ancient monuments, very old fashioned. Archaic, you can tell your friends like, hey, you're wearing an archaic dress. Very open, like don't use the word very open. You can use transparent. And it's painful, you can use I am going through an excruciating pain after my breakup. Ashen is also used for pale. You never use the word called as, hey, I was so afraid looking at your pale face. When you got sick, you can say ashen face. So this is one part of the many more words to come. Hope you guys are enjoying it. If you guys are, tell me. I can